Snail. Said. Snail. First. Said. Snail. First. Said. Snail. First. Said. Snail. First. Said. Snail. Said. Snail. I'm on mellow speed dial, baby. I'm on mellow speed Pyro, baby. Said. Pyro. Hi. Said. Pyro. Hi. Said. Pyro. Hi. Pyro. Said. I hear an echo tongue poking smiley. Jules Ham. Said. Yo yo yo, I'm cooking dinner. How are you all? Sander Joids. Said. So what's the chance something catches fire today?
Okay, hello everyone. How are you all doing? Right, I'm still...
Pyro.
I've prepared most
said.
things.
Just finished eating my dinner.
Awesome. I hope your dinner is good. I also hope your dinner cooks good. I don't know. I don't know how to say enjoy cooking.
Sander
right.
Joids. Said. Is audio quiet?
Is audio quiet? Maybe. Let me try putting it up. That might be it. That's about the same as always. I'll turn it slightly up, and hopefully that should be fine. Oh, that's a good test. Let's see if that works. The script is running.
Snail. Said. Sounds good.
Oh no. Oh no, is it gonna be brokey? Please
Pyro.
don't be brokey.
Said. Is the board responding?
The board is
Get
responding.
lifty. Said. Hello. I finally made it here on time.
Yes, well done. We did not get a notification in the notification channel,
Pyro.
which is a
Said.
problem.
It's not.
It's not? It did. Oh. But it's running. But it's running. Why is it not doing? Oh no. Oh no, how is it broken already? We just did the test and everything to fix it. I've restarted the script. Let's see if that helps. Worst case scenario, I will see. I will
Pyro.
double check.
Said.
Yeah, no, we have
Eepsy
the same.
wopsy, brokey wokey. Sander Joids. Said. Pyro is breaking shit again. Snail.
But it just worked.
Said. Mello got a haircut.
I did. Thank you for noticing. But it worked. I went
Pyro.
live and it worked.
Said. I am allowed. I fixed it some days ago. Pyro. Said. But not good enough.
Not good enough. Oh no, why is it broken? Well, might as well add fix script to the side quests. Fix script. Oh, come on, just fix
Pyro.
script.
Said. Or Mello tried to fix it again.
I didn't touch it. Hold on, I'm trying to spell fix script. Right. Oh no, no, it's coming off the screen. Right. Let me. I'm gonna turn on the debug message to see if we're actually getting stuff from the chat. Somebody say something in chat, and we will know.
Get lifty. Said. My cat
Okay,
keeps
so the
walking on
messages
my
are coming
keyboard,
through.
so if the
I can see
TTS
them
starts
in
to
the-
go
in the
crazy, I
command line.
apologize. Pyro. Said. Smiley face was just about to ask.
Well. Pyro just said... Okay, yeah, so that worked. But why did that not work? Because... it worked! And then it stopped. Oh, I forgot to turn on my... Oh no, that's horrible. It's better for the camera, but I don't like it. It's too bright. We're gonna keep it moody today. Right. Okay, well, that kind of answers some questions. Is it a Home Assistant thing? Home Assistant, what are you doing? Let me turn off and on. Plugboard. Oh, wait. Okay, plugboard is on. And we're still not getting sound effects. The only thing I changed in the sound effects script is added more sounds. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push a commit of all of the things I've added to the script, and Pyro's gonna have a look at it and see where it's broken.
Snail said, smash the like button.
Yes, please. I do enjoy that like button getting smashed. Such a witz.
Pyro said, is the board IP correct?
Well, it worked. Like, it actually worked when the stream started. Which is why I'm confused. Because Maximum Bombastic came up. The IP is correct, according to Home Assistant.
Said, better question. Pyro said, is the window open?
Well, no, that one is not. Also, I've removed that sound, I think. That sound should be removed. Right, well, that works. Which means the IP I have for it should be correct. Let me hop on over to 1.14. Huh? Okay, yeah. That works. That's the plugboard IP. Does it have to be just the IP, or does it have to be HTTP IP? I blame Pyro for this change because he put the IP for the plugboard in the secrets folder, which clearly that was the last change that was made. So
Pyro
I blame
said,
him.
With HTTP. Pyro said, I think.
Well, I removed HTTP, and it did nothing.
Sander Joids said, Pyro on the pyre.
Gosh darn it, what if I just, like, unplug and plug back in? That always works, right? Wait. Oh, this is using the old database. Pyro, we have to stop testing with just you, because the reason it's broken is because when you type and I have the wrong name in the thing.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Literally
Maximum
did, yes.
Bombastic said.
So now it's going to work because Max.
Where is the robot?
Right?
Pyro said.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. So, good news. I found out that it does need to be with HTTP. We're getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so that should have fixed the plugboard. I now have to fix the scrolling. Now I have to fix the scrolling colors because just being orange looks very dull.
Pyro.
There
Set.
we go.
Test 123.
Test successful. Okay. One by one, we will change them to rainbow. Beautiful. Okay. Plugboard works. Okay. Sounds don't work. Pyro, try a sound. Okay, well, problem solved. Now somebody send my desk back up because I don't want to move the camera. Oh no, there's bubble in my... I'm gonna be drinking bubble liquid. And this time successfully. Okie dokie. In other news, the notification channel did not get a message with the fact that I am live. This is very much not as intended. Oh, really? Well, I mean, I wasn't specific, so yeah, I guess. At live stream alert, and let's
Pyro.
put that in here.
Set. 3.
Is that because...
Pyro. Set. So we can classify it as user error.
Probably. Right. Okie dokie. Well, that went well. Does this seem laggy? I feel like I'm running on like 24 frames.
Set.
Weird.
User did not update database. Pyro.
Okay, well...
Set. User not smart.
Oops. Anywho, let's get to the bot. So, I want to add... Oh god, I don't know where I put it. I had the... Oh no, I've lost it, didn't I? Of course I did.
Sounder Jones. Set. I'd say Peacock, but there's no chair.
Okay, so I want to change the sound module that's inside the bot. Let me just decapitate him and pull out its innards, and I'll show you guys a closer look at what is in here. After
Maximum
I've unplugged
bombastic.
everything.
Set. Only air. Pyro. Set. Peacock face with tongue sticking out. Plugboard.
Who was there? Okay, so I accidentally deleted the database with all the updated information, which means that some of the information that pops up on the board is not correct, which is very irritating. The fuck? Wait, really? Did I really just... Huh. I didn't realize this whole time, like, the way I've had this plugged in was just like a wire in a jumper wire terminal. But yeah, so that can be removed, that can be removed, that can stay in there. I do want to change the servos because the ones I'm using here are
Maximum bombastic.
loud, but
Set.
I didn't get
No.
continuous
Good thing you
servos
have
in time.
incremental backups. Pyro. Set. Do you want me to try to fix it?
Why are you showing up in 2 positions? Are you in 2 positions on the plug thing?
Get lifty. Said.
No, you're in 1.
Exposed lithium battery wires are scary.
The script crashed.
Pyro.
I looked at it and it crashed.
Said. No.
Okay, I will send this, I will send, wait, oh god damn it. Start, okay. I will screenshot this and I will send it to Pyro.
Sanderjoids. Said. I blame Pyro.
Indeed.
Pyro. Said. At maximum bombastic is in wrong spot.
But he came up fine before. Right, there you go. There's my bug report for Pyro. And yeah. I don't see why that would have... No, because he's set to... Maximum bombastic is set to 15 and 16. But when he came in, it was on the correct one. I don't know, I'm gonna have to re-update the whole goddamn... Ah! That's how I feel about it. Anywho, so... Let's have a look at what we have here. I do not have
Pyro.
My second camera set up.
With old DB. Maximum bombastic. Said. Can't see a thing. Some guy is standing in the way of my plug.
I mean, you can have me just leave. I don't know if that's going to make for a very entertaining stream. Question. Can I borrow that? No, I need the phone.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I don't fully
Get
need
lifty.
the light. I just need the,
Said.
the phone thing.
I like the way the TTS pronounces plug. Plug. Plug.
Oh boy,
Plug.
here we go again. Ooh, that's a pleasant sound.
Sanderjoids. Said. Last time it was when you left. Maximum bombastic.
Right.
Said. Testing my plug.
Okay. I'm having to set up my phone as a secondary camera.
If all goes well.
Ugh, that was a weird... Oh, plugboard's broken again.
Maximum bombastic. Said. Yes, it's not working, I think.
Good. Exactly as we planned. Right. Add camera to OBS. Yes, I would like to use the camera. Waiting for camera. Back camera. Okay. Right, let's flip that sideways. Turn that off. Do that. Okie dokie. Let's see.
Pyro. Said. I will try to fix.
Thank you, Pyro. Right, I will need to add this camera to the thing.
Maximum bombastic. Said.
Huh.
Do I get a refund if the service is not fully operational?
No. We're just experiencing some downtime. It will be fixed at some point. Report remote cam. Oh no, I need to that and that and
Get lifty.
that.
Said. It works 100% of the time, 60% of the time.
That doesn't even make any sense. Oh, why are you streaming audio? Go away. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Secondary camera. Secondary camera. We're gonna exit out of studio mode and go to secondary camera. Look at that, professional. Oh, there's what I'm after. Kind of, actually, no, I don't like that there because of reasons. Okay. So there we go. We've been live for 25 minutes, and we are now getting to the electronics. So this is what I used before for audio, and oh, there is really no light. I wasn't planning to use more lights, but I guess I need more lights. Okay, something has to get unplugged.
Said, I will create a debug mode in new big version tongue poking smiley.
Okay, well, I guess that has to get unplugged for now. In new version. Right, let's plug that. Right, lights.
Pyro said, can you please uncomment line 46 of plug_board_controller? Maximum bombastic. Said,
46.
So what is the plan? What upgrades are we doing to the robot?
Let me, there you go. Oh, why is that camera off? Oh, why? Re-enable yourself, fool. There we go. Here's what we're doing. Do not switch. Okay. That should be it. Judging with how well this is going, we're probably not going to get to any of the other side quests. But yeah, so the audio board in this is an Adafruit audio effects board, which works, but is chunkier and more annoying than I would like. And also it
Maximum
uses this poopy ass amplifier.
Damn.
Which
Quest
introduces...
overlay is excellent idea. Nice work.
Hold on, I decommented the line, and I forgot to hit run on the script, and I don't know what the chat said. Overlay is an excellent idea. Thank you. I didn't come up with it. So yeah, it uses this stupid ass amplifier, which just introduces a lot of noise most of the time. So I'd rather not deal with it. And also the speaker's big. This is actually the speaker I used in the video where I was showing off the robot thingy-majig. Oh god, look at all these, look at all this joints I had to make it play the 4 sounds I uploaded to it. Ugh. And these are not cheap, these are like £15 each. Yeah, I don't like these. I don't know why I went with these. These are not great. They do them with the amplifier built in, but obviously I went with the cheaper ones and decided, you know what, no. I will simply make my own. Don't show them that. What did I show you? Nothing interesting. Okay, cool. I need this one. Cool. Wow, look at all the lighting in here. I like the lighting. It looks good. Tooting my own horn. It's fine. Tooting my own horn. Right, so this is the not disassembled one. I kind of want the disassembled one. Oh, here's another future project. I've not actually had anything sent to me from DFRobot for quite a while now.
Get Lifty said, Adafruit are great at designing products so that they can be cloned and made cheaper in China.
Don't tell them that. Where did I put the Where did I put that? Did I put it in something? It was in the pumpkin thing. Wait, is it just chilling on here? It's just I chucked it in with all the other stuff from the pumpkin video. So the LEDs and that, it's just chilling right there. Fantastic. Cool. Lovely. Right, so I can put these boxes away. What else do I have in here? This is a beetle. This is a gesture sensor, which I'm working on. Oh, I fully just gave up on a video this week. I got most of the way there, and then it did not work. It did not live up to my expectations, so I basically just, oh wait, hold on, let me switch cameras. I just gave up and cancelled it. Has the script broken again? Because why is that just on? That's not supposed to just be on. Huh? Has everything broken? I'm not hearing anything. Oh no. Am I still live? Oh no. Okay. Is this broken?
Pyro.
Oh no.
Said. So quiet.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was feeling. Yeah, these shouldn't be on, but they're on. Pyro's message came through and did that. Are these just on because it glitched out when they turned on? Okay, so wait. 0, 1,
Pyro.
2, 3, 4,
Said.
5, 6, 7.
Script appears to be brokey wokey.
5, 6, 7. 5,
Pyro.
6, 7.
Said. It did not turn off yet.
6, 7. Okay, that is maximum bombastic being fixed. Let me do
Get
a quickie restart.
Said. Live stream is haunted clearly.
I know. Okay. Okay, maybe that fixed something. Honestly, at this point, I don't know. I still feel like I'm running at 20 frames. Just every so often, it just feels a little laggy. Okay. I can put that away. I can put that away. I can put that away. Look, do I use this? Accurate. Right. Oh, I should put that away too. Oh, I have 4 little drone motors, and I have no idea what to do with them. I was thinking like a stupid way overpowered whatchamacallit, air extractor with drone blades. Okay. I should have updated maximum bombastics black, so hopefully that's in the right place now. Okie dokie. So now, oh god, I'm gonna have to redo this entire board, aren't I? Yeah, we are not getting anything else done.
Said. Toilet fart extractor using RC components. Pyro. Said. It appears to be working again. Maybe we scared it after you reset the script.
Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Maximum
redo a lot
bombastic.
of this board.
Said. Plug test.
Plug test. There it is. Perfect. Works perfectly. I will copy you. Can I copy you? Oh. Huh. Oh no, that should be working, but it works. Fantastic. So yeah, I'm gonna have to redo most of this board because most of it is just these connections that I don't need anymore. And what is this? This is power delivery. So this is just stepping down however many volts coming from the batteroonies down to, I believe, 5 volts. But then at the same time, I have Metal Gear servos, which I might be able to convert to, so I had to convert these ones to continuous, because continuous servos are like stupidly expensive. They're like £7-8 a pop. And I'm like, I ain't buying that. So so I made these myself, but they're very poopy.
Said. The script is working again. Sound_task complete.
Let me update that. Let's go here. Let me edit text. Okay, I was just about to do that.
Get lifty.
And then this
Said.
popped up.
Does the board have onboard battery management, or do you just trust the user not to over-discharge them?
So I will keep that task on the list. Is that the same one I've sent you, Pyro? Seems like the same one. That is the same one. Okay, well, I will
Pyro.
get to that question in a second.
Said. I will look into it. Pyro. Said. Yeah, it is the same error.
Cool. No, I do not have battery protection on this board. Yeah, it is up to me to make sure it does not discharge the batteries too much, which is a tiny bit problematic because I don't check on it very often, so I don't think I actually charged these batteries for like a few months. So we are getting a beautiful 16 volts there, so that's nice. How are we on the individual saloonies? We are getting a -4 volts. Oh, come on. It has a stand for a reason. There we go. So yeah, this cell is actually pretty charged, so I ain't gonna complain. I assume these are gonna be pretty balanced because they're, well, maybe. Come on. 10? 10? 4. I love it. I love my brain. It looks at one thing and says another. 4.2. Beautiful. 4.02, I should say. And another 4. Fantastic. So batteries are fine. Nothing to worry about there. Though, yes, I should definitely have some kind of battery protection. Better yet, I would have preferred just to use a rechargeable power bank. But, yeah, that was not in the cards. Oh, it did that stupid thing again where it stays on, stays on, because the script crashed when it turned on. Weird. Yeah. So yeah, I would prefer to actually just change this to just use a battery bank. I don't currently have a battery bank that is small enough to fit in here,
that is the error.
Bother. So I'm not going to bother with that, but this does let me decrease the size of this by quite a significant chunk. Okay, we are going to have to make a whole new board for this, aren't we? Or do we try to recover this by just getting rid of the bits we no longer need? What a pain, what a pain. Also, do I want to use the disassembled one and just run some wires? Well, that's what I'll do. Okay, because I can... I'm thinking if I put the speaker in the head here, that will, you know, maybe kind of work as a speaker sounding better in here, like so. I could test it, but that sounds like a lot of effort. It's not a lot of effort, is it? Oh, get out. Right. I think this still has the sound effects loaded on it, so I guess we will try. Yeah, that will work. So if I plug this into 5 volts, let's go with a somewhat sensible layout. Green is ground, and orange is +5, and then we'll go with blue for the P pin. Or should we go with the... No, we'll go with yellow for the P pin because PP. Cool. Let's plug that into 5 volts with my adjustable lab bench power supply.
Maximum Bombastic said, I just looked at the code when you showed the screen. When you make remote requests that can fail, you should properly handle the error and decide what to do when it fails so that it doesn't crash.
Yep, pyro's on it.
Part of go away, did you not understand? Back off. Got some nerve. I'm not here for your entertainment.
These are the sound effects from the pumpkin video. What a disappointing video that was. Oh, no. What are you doing? Oh.
The Redstone Crafting said, XD.
Seriously, how close do you need to get before you need a hint?
Okay.
Got some nerve. I'm not here for your entertainment.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. I think I'm just going to stick that in the head. So I'm going to extend those wires out to, well, I'm going to extend the power and RX and TX. And then, do I want to just, I don't know how I want to mount this in the head. I want to say hot glue. Let's have a vote. Should I 3D print a mount to hold this in the head properly, or hot glue it? Can we do a poll? I mean, maybe. Live stream.
Get Lifty said, if it can't be seen, hot glued it will be.
No, that sounds pretty good.
The Redstone Crafting said, bro watching a YouTube tutorial in the background.
I am? Where?
Maximum Bombastic said,
No.
why not 3D print a bad mount and then still hot glue it?
You know what? I like the sound of that. Oh.
Get Lifty
I
said,
unplugged the
now
battery
Maximum
from the...
Bombastic has the right idea.
I unplugged the battery from the charger, threw the battery down and picked up the charger. 10 out of 10 brain moment right there. Okay, well, oh god, I'm gonna have to CAD.
The Redstone
Do I
Crafting
have to CAD?
said, Gren.
Cool. Right, do I want to print a thingamajig? I don't really want to print a thingamajig. That's the LED. Let's put that aside.
Get Lifty said, all of the stages of grief were experienced during that message. Lars Coulson said, man, I love you.
Okie dokie. Right, let me open. How do I second desktop? Show this. I closed everything I had open. Okay, well, hopefully I don't need anything that was open because I closed it all. Oh, Windows, how I tolerate you. If only Linux wasn't so Linuxy. Fusion is fusioning. Okay. I remember that Fusion and OBS do not like each other. And when I hold on, do I have a screen with both me and the desktop? No, that's not me. That's
Maximum Bombastic
the other thing.
Said. The best part about Linux is how Linux it is. The Redstone Crafting. Said.
I disagree.
When are we going to set off the fireworks? Get Lifty.
We have fireworks?
Said. Fusion just generally doesn't enjoy other programs daring to be open.
That is very much true. The only thing I can usually have open at the same time is the browser. It's a little choppy, but it seems okay. Oh no, how do I... Calipers! Okay, we need to do a circle that is... This is usually how I measure stuff. Let me show you my oh, bug off Fusion. Let me show you my professional measuring something technique, where you you need to measure the diameter of something, and then you're like, okay, so it's about that big, but you need to add a little bit of wiggle room. So you just kind of wiggle it until you think you're like, yeah, that seems like enough wiggle room. And then you use that number, and then you think, I can round it off, and then you usually just put it up to 30, and then you do, yeah, that seems decent enough. So yeah, so we're gonna go with 30. Nope. Nope, nope, all of those are wrong. This one, fantastic. We're gonna go with 30. 30. And then we're gonna go with, how big's the speakers? It's gonna be 30 as well, isn't it? Yeah, 27.
Get Lifty. Said. If you guess the measurements, they'll be perfectly toleranced, whereas if you measure, it will never fit.
Yeah, that's usually what I go off by. Although somehow it never fits. Although I've had some success recently. I've had more success since getting the Prusa at getting consistently good, what are they called? Oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Good tolerances with Prusa. Yay. I'm still a little mad because they still haven't replied to my emails, but whatever. I just want a Prusa XL. That's all I want. Will I accept a Mark IV? Sure. Do I want a Prusa XL? Of course. Okay, we're gonna go with that. How fancy do we want to get with it? Because technically the speaker does need a little bit of a chamber, right?
Maximum Bombastic. Said. The wiggle method is the perfect technique to make mounts that still need hot glue.
The funny thing is, how do you think I was planning to glue the speaker into the mount? Oh god, what am I... Okay, hold on. Let me sticky note this because I want... Sorry, let me also walk you through my sticky. Yeah, okay. So we need two dotties that will connect together in some kind of a thing, and I'm thinking like kind of like a box, like so-ish.
Get Lifty.
And then this
Said.
side.
It's not bad tolerances and glue, it's friction fit and solvent welding.
And just to be fancy, we'll add like an air hole there, and then air hole there, so that the speaker has room to wobble, wob, 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 as speakers do. Right, so I need to make a box. Let's just make a box and then make it hollow. I know I'm not showing you my screen, I'm working on it. There we go. Alright, let's get rid of the circles because I don't like them. How big do we want the box? About, I'm thinking about yay big. That's like 10 mil. See how tolerant my eyes are.
Maximum bombastic.
12.
Said.
Close enough.
That's a hot design, bro. Send it.
Right, let's do a chamber. Let's get rid of that. Let's give it 1 or 2 mil walls. 1 or 2. I'm gonna go with 2 mil walls. I'm sure there's a calculator to like calculate the proper resonance chamber and all that stuff, but I don't know anything about. I don't know anything about that. So we're just gonna go with close enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a we're gonna have the size of the speaker, and we're gonna have like a little
Get
lip
lifty.
around it. Shit,
Said.
how am I gonna print this?
Just wang fillets on all the edges and call it a day.
No, hold on, because if I want to print this easily, I can print it upright,
Maximum
which
bombastic.
will mean I don't need supports, but
Wall should be a multiplier of your extrusion width, ideally.
yeah, I don't know that. I always just go with 1 or 2, usually with 2. And then just let the slicer figure it out. Oh no, script crashed again. Figure it out. So yeah, so if I print it upright, it will take longer because Z takes longer, but I won't need supports. If I print it like that, I mean, I can print it in 2 parts and then just like hot glue it together or super glue it together. We'll use 2 adhesives. We'll print it in 2 parts, then we'll super glue it together, and then we'll hot glue the speaker and the control board to it. We're gonna use hot glue because it reduces vibrations and stuff like that. We'll use fancy wording, and then we'll just hot glue the whole thing in its head. Speaking of, do we have? Oh, the head is like weird shaped.
Get lifty. Said.
Darn.
Print it on a 45-degree angle to catch the printer off guard.
Surprise, mother. Right, so let me go back to my speaker because you know, measure 14 times, extrude once. Let's go with 28. I'm gonna go with 28 this time. 28. And we're gonna go with a slightly inner diameter of the edge that's here, which is 25. Oh no, that's glue. 25.5. So we're gonna go with a 26. That's 27. Let's go with 27. 27, which is only a smidge smaller. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude this down to that length, and then okay, I might not be knowing how to fusion, but how do I make the sketches not disappear immediately after I extrude it? Minus. Okay, so now hopefully the speaker should sit in there nice and comfortably. And then we need another one on this side.
You can disable it in settings, I think.
Okay, so if I put the speaker on here, can I rotate that? No, that's good. Oh, we need to plan for the cable. We need to plan for the cable. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna go there, and that's gonna go there. We're exposing those. Okay, so I might as well. Is that power supply? What does SP stand for on here? That power supply? Or oh, come on. There's a connector up here. Well, connector. There's solder joints up here that stand for SP. I could check the DF robot documentations, but I have a feeling they won't tell me what I want to know. Because DF robot documentation is bought. See, this is, I think DF robot and Adafruit are like perfectly working together. Adafruit has very good documentation. DF robot, I was gonna say DF robot makes it cheaper, but no, they don't. I literally just bought a gesture board. I literally just got a gesture sensor from them. That's like, I think £15. Sorry, $15, which is like £13. And then you can buy them for like, I think I saw them for like £9. So it's not even that much cheaper, really. Yeah, I'm struggling to find. Oh, I forgot the measurement. I'm struggling to find a reason to keep going with DF robot apart from free stuff. And even that, with the sponsorship, I've been buying a lot more of my own stuff because if I can, it's nicer. So that's 28.8, 28.9, 29. This is why plants never come together. And then let's give it a inset of 28, like so. And let's get rid of these lines. Am I on my screen? Yeah, I am. Okay, cool. It's because this stream is way behind and is showing me nothing useful. Doop. Cool. Right, we're gonna go all the way through with you, and we're gonna go -1 with you. Beautiful. Beautiful work. I mean, technically, if I make these at... No, never mind. No, never mind. Let's not do that. I was going to say, if we make those at like 45-degree angles, they would be printable. But then I realized that there's still all of this bit to actually have to support. So yeah, we're not doing that. Okie dokie. They're not the same size, are they? 28, 29. Okay, fair. Cool. So that's for that. That's for that. Oh, I need a bit in between for the cable to fit into. So we're just gonna cut a slit here, which is probably gonna be bad for audio or something. But I do not care. Did I see that right? Did I say no? 2. Okay, cool. We're just gonna cut a slit there. That's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, look at that. It's not gonna. It would just fill that in with hot glue. Won't even know it was there. There's a hole for that. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. My only issue is the inside of the. Let me this one. The inside of here is concave, which mean, so how long is this? This is 66 millimeters. 66. Oh wow, that's long. Oh wow, that's so long. Oh no, that's longer than I expected. Oh wow, that's too big. Oh, that's way too big. That won't. Oh, it will. It will fit. Nobody take that audio clip out of context. Shut up. It will fit, it will just have to be secured. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, the sticky note stuck to me. Right. Switch back to you. Do we want to get fancy with the edges? No. Yeah. Yeah, no, that should be it. Okay. Let's send this to Prussia and see how long it will take to create. And zoop. Cool. So we can try it like this, but that's a horrible way of printing it. Let's flip it round. Do we want to flip it on the side? Yeah, that should print, right? Oh my god, the thing is in the way of the slice button. Go away. Slice. That should be fine. That's gonna take 36 minutes. Ugh. Okay, well, let's, oh, that might need some support. Yeah, that's gonna need support. Okay, let's do support build plate only, support in, yeah, nope. If I say supports everywhere, it's just gonna, yeah, it's gonna chuck them everywhere. I don't like it. If I print it from, if I print it this way around, does that need supports? I mean, it needs less. Technically, it shouldn't. That's gonna take an hour, though. Do we want to wait an hour for this to be... I mean, to be fair, we do still have to do all of the electronic bits. I didn't even get to the reprogramming
Get
part.
lifty. Said. Crank the speed and layer height. We need it done fast, not done well. Maximum bombastic. Said. Use supports from build plate only and switch to organic supports.
Right. Supports from build plate only. And we're gonna switch to, oh no, where is it? Infill? No. Oh no. It is shocking how rarely I actually change the settings on this pusher. Supports. I find this very unintuitive.
Get lifty. Said. The 45-degree angle thing may also unironically solve the support problem. Maximum bombastic. Said. And rotate it back to like it was before.
What, the sideways bit? Oh. Well, put it sideways. Build plate only. Where are the goddamn speed support? That's not going to be here. Support, no. Raft, no. Will it be in? It wouldn't be an infill. Okay, Orca Slicer actually does this so much better. Am I stupid? Where is it? I mean, the answer to the first question is yes, but... Cooling? No, that's not it. Printer? No, that's not it. Pattern. No. Where the hell?
Maximum bombastic. Said. The setting is under support material and then options for support material and then style.
Support material. And then style. What, here? Oh, okay. I was expecting it to be called like tree or something. Support build plate only, yep. Uh-huh. Yeah, I was expecting it to be called tree. Alright, that's still gonna take an hour. YOLO. The longer we wait, the longer it's gonna take. So let's yeet that onto the build plate. Send to printer. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. And we are printing in PETGG. Why are we offline? What are you talking about? Upload. Cool. Okay, so now, since we have an hour to wait, let's do the electronics part. First of all, I want to solder on wires to here so that I can extend them along with the, the wire that's in the head for the lights. I need this camera. Right. But just before that, I'm going to take a momentary break and use the bathroom. Never mind, the bathroom is occupied. I will return to the bathroom quest shortly. Right, so let's solder on wires. Right, let me get some wires. I'm running out of good wires, so I'm gonna reuse these ones. I shouldn't. Oh, do I need them that long? How long do I need them? I might need them longer than that. Crud. Crud. I need one of you, one of you, one of you, and one of... Where's the other one? You? Yeah, okie dokie. Let's get an even amount. You. Can't see it, but I'm working very hard. Yep. And snip, snip. Cool. Oh, don't check those. Fantastic. Is it reading? Oh, the script broke again. Where is it? Is it? Yeah, sounds like it's... Oh. Where?
Andy Warburton.
Oh, there we go.
Said. You sure you need supports? Andy Warburton. Said. My mini would probably bridge that just fine. Maximum bombastic. Said. Now you can add a support enforcer to only that floating bit. And then change the supports to supports enforcers only to get rid of the unnecessary supports. Maximum bombastic. Said. Too late, I guess. Get lifty. Said. The real engineer mindset is spending 25 minutes to save 5 minutes of print time. Andy Warburton. Said. Yeah, definitely don't let automatic supports do the hard work. Maximum bombastic. Said. Sounds like the TTS has passed away. Andy Warburton.
Yeah, it does that sometimes.
Said. Automatic supports always gives you way more support than needed. Pyro. Said. Working on it.
Fantastic. Now that I'm up to date, let's do some soldering. 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4. Some of you will be happy to know that I am working on a on a solder fume extraction system. Look, I even bought what are these called? Activated carbon filters. I'm gonna be a healthy boy. Fingers crossed. This is where somebody tells me that activated carbon filters don't actually do anything for solder fumes, and I kind of expect you to. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's angle that up so that I can see them. Yep, let's do a close-up on that. Beautiful. There we go. And now we can do the wires on here. As my printer levels the bed in the background.
Get Lifty said. Just do what everyone does, and open the window just to breathe all the fumes in anyway.
That's what I normally do, but, you know, trying to be better about it. Okay, that's black, red, and then we're going to go with green for TX, or RX, no, TX. And then yellow for RX. Somebody please remember that, because I will forget.
Andy Warburton
shush.
said. Or just breathe out when soldering face with tears of joy.
That is what I normally do. Do we want to get fancy? Do I want to put heat shrink tubing on this? Yeah, sure, let's treat ourselves. We have the time.
Andy Warburton said. Or just breathe out when soldering face with tears of joy.
Why did you send that twice? I usually prefer to breathe in. That way I know I'm getting a lungful. So that when
Maximum
I get brain damage in the
bombastic
future, I
said.
know where it's from.
At Andy Warburton, that's what I do. Even though I built a fume extractor, I never have space on my desk for it.
Okay, so, stupid idea, completely pointless feature to add to my fume extractor. Should I make it chuck
Get
controlled?
Lifty said. You can use the taste to tell if the iron's the right temp.
I don't need the taste, that's why I touch it. Good on I might be using slightly too small heat shrink tubing for this. Oh no, it's just fine. Yeah, it's perfect. It's exactly the correct size. There goes my first layer.
Get Lifty said. Make the fume
see it.
extractor reversible so chat can just set it to blow more fumes.
I don't think normal fans work that way. It might be a little bit difficult to implement. I can maybe manage you guys turning it on and off. Cool. My tubing has been shrunk of. Sorry? Yeah, sure. Wah. Oh, look at my printer go. Let's move that along to here. Look at it go.
Maximum Bombastic said. You could add a motor to physically rotate the fan. Then you don't have to reverse the fan.
But that, I mean, that's actually kind of funny. Okay, so wait. Here's what came to my mind. If I have a go away, I don't need that sticking out. Right. Well, the printer's printing, and I don't want to move this thing, so I'm just gonna draw here. So here's what I'm thinking. If I have the fan on a little circular platform, like so.
Get lifty,
Right?
said.
Like
At that point just rotate the whole room around the fan.
So that's the fan, right? And that's the
Maximum Bombastic
rotating platform.
said. At Get Lifty that's more expensive.
And then that way it can rotate on that platform. Can you please
Andy
just
Warburton
chill?
Said. Don't forget to pee.
I won't, trust me. So yeah, if I do that and it kind of spins on that axis, and then I can, if I move my my soldering around, it can like follow me a little bit, right? Or yeah. So if I have like a platform, and if I'm soldering here, it can like turn towards that, and then turn towards that, and then turn towards that, depending on where I'm soldering, right? That sounds. I mean, this looks like it was drawn by a serial killer, but you guys know what I mean, right?
Get Lifty said. Make it an excuse to get a cheap thermal camera so it follows the iron automatically.
Ooh, that's a good point. It just automatically tracks to the hottest point. I don't think they're that good.
Maximum Bombastic said. Perfect. Just send that sketch directly to PCBWay or whatever.
It's JLC PCB. How dare you say PCBWay in my presence? Is the bathroom free yet? Almost. Right. What was I doing? I forgot what I was doing. Oh, the wires. But also the bathroom is free, so you guys can keep looking at my printer.
Said. JLC PCB would probably understand and still give you a great price.
Right.
Andy
BRB.
Warburton said. 6-axis robot arm with fan on the end. Maximum Bombastic said.
Okay. I'm getting
JLC
distracted,
PCB.
but here's my thought process, right? On the topic of big arm. So if I ever give up on using DF Robot for stuff, hold on, it's loading. Also, they've got like a 1 pound box thing now. I don't trust getting anything good from it, but whatever. Yeah, so they do. Hello? Hello? Excuse me? Can we search? Oh, there we go. Yeah, they do this, right? If I ever feel like it, do you reckon? I don't think they would, but that would solve some of my problems. This is the Raspberry Pi one, right? Yeah. G-mount base. Could I make it myself? Yes. Could I convince the F-Robot to send me that? I don't know. Maybe. So that was just
Maximum Bombastic
that was just my thought
said.
process.
You could also use it for alone time.
No. I wish for my hoo-ha to... I wish for my thing to remain where it is. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Andy Warburton said, "Do it."
Do it. We'll see. Very unlikely. Oh wow, they do like helping hands as well. I didn't know they did like soldering helping hands. I mean, they do have the cheaper alternative. Hold on, where's the thing? They do have the cheaper alternative, which is that. Is it aluminum or it looks aluminium-ish. I don't think it'd be able to lift a lot. Ooh, old version, new version. I'm glad that the price goes down when you try to buy more. What is your voltage range? 5 volts. Yeah, like hell it's going to be able to pick up a lot. Stall torque 25 kilo, max 26 kilo. Well, at full extension? I doubt that. Okay. I forgot where I left off.
Get Lifty said, "The Chinese kilogram is worth half the metric kilogram."
Oh no, has text... Oh, did my headphones disconnect? God darn it, every time I go to the bathroom. Ah! Now read this message again.
The Chinese kilogram is worth half the metric kilogram.
Oh, just like the, what was it, the Chinese inch, as I found out recently. Thank you, Mr. Tech Tip. Right. Let's make this wire nicer. Where did I put my thingamabobs? Oh, I'm showing you guys the wrong view. This one? This one. Oh, how is my phone's battery? Good enough. I might need to plug it in later, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I kind of hoped this would be a quick and easy upgrade for the bot. I don't think I'm going to touch the programming side of this today, though. As long as I can get it connected to like the RX and TX pins on the thing and get the power loaded, I will do the programming of it tomorrow. Maybe I'll do an exclusive Patreon only stream of me struggling to program it. Who's interested? Raise your hands. Suddenly feel very lonely. Thanks, guys. I knew I can always count on you. Right, that's... Is this too long? How long's the one? Let's pop that in his head. I want it more or less the same length, so around there-ish. Let's do a snip. And that gives me a lovely wires. Beautiful. Let's do that. Do that.
Deadly Dave.
Hello,
said,
Deadly Dave.
Don't feel lonely, we are here.
It's okay, even if you weren't. Oh, you got your thing, right?
Maximum Bombastic.
I don't remember if you told me last time
said,
if you got it or not.
If we had a robot arm we could send a chat command T raise hands.
Ooh.
Just saying.
That would, okay, but that would have to be like multiple people saying it. It can't be just like one person. If I want multiple people, I think it would have to, like, if a certain amount of people in chat say raised hand or something like that, then yes. But if it's just one person, then I don't think that's, you know, it doesn't, you know what I mean. It's tired. I've been up since 7 a.m. As everyone should.
Get Lifty. Said. Army of tiny robot arms to represent chat.
If I just have a wall of servos that just have the pivot, the horn, just
said,
up or down, and everybody
yes,
votes.
it arrived over the weekend. Thank you so much.
No worries.
I haven't played with it yet, but I think I can get it set up with Homey Assistant.
Ooh, that sounds good. Enjoy it. Oh, that took a while to get to Ireland. I think it was Ireland, right? Might be thinking of something else. We had a package get to the Netherlands quicker than that when they were posted at the same time. So, well done, Royal Mail. Really showing they care. Cool. Put that back. That should be it for my shrink tubing. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Okay.
Deadly Dave.
Away.
Said. Yep, I'm in the south of Ireland. Ireland is always slow for post. Maximum Bombastic. Said. Wall of servos combined with these tiny hands to stick on the fingers would probably be effective. Deadly Dave. Said. It's a little island that no one cares about.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people care about it. This entire pile of shit hit, which you can't see. Sorry, let me reframe. This entire pile of stuff on this side of my desk is work in progress projects. Yeah, I have a lot going on. I need a holiday. Can't afford it. Anywho, go away. Right, so what am I doing with this? Because there's a lot of board for not a lot happening anymore. I technically don't need this entire chunk here, so I could consolidate it down to ESP, power, and then the outputs for the servos
said.
and that.
Why finish a project when you can start a completely different one? Deadly Dave said. I have a work-in-progress project that I started almost 7 years ago and haven't progressed since.
Damn.
Deadly Dave said. At GetLifty exactly.
Damn, I don't think I have anything that's been going for that long. It's not that I start new projects. Oh, hold on. It's not that I get distracted with stuff. I just get a little distracted with stuff. Okay, right, hold on. I got a thing. We're gonna play around with it. I got this mostly to play around on the stream with, and we'll see how good it is.
Deadly Dave.
How do I add this?
Said. It's an LED cube.
It's a LED cube. Oh. Very fancy. Right, let's do studio mode. Let's add camera. Yep. This camera. Oh, I need to mark which way is up for this little shithead. Am I holding that straight?
Deadly Dave
Nope,
said. 8*8*8. GetLifty said. One day you pick up a multiple-year-old project and just finish it perfectly in a day somehow.
It's all the training it took to get there. Okay, so I got a probe camera. It looks like ass, mostly. I got it so that I can have a nozzle camera, and I definitely don't think I got the right camera for the job. But it's pretty cool. Kind of wish it worked. I could. I want it to look good, but this camera is just kind of butt. Wait, hold on. Let me give it more light and see if more light helps. Because more light tends to be
Deadly Dave
the answer.
Said. I have soldered up all the LEDs and bought all the parts. Just have to design
Ow.
a PCB and then actually program it. Deadly Dave said. Oh, now that is cool. GetLifty said. My first thought is perfect size to go in your nose.
I'm not shoving it in my nose. The donation link is below. Yeah, it just doesn't look as good as the YouTubers that have installed them on their printers. But like, yeah, the focus length on this one is poopy. But yeah, I want this to work so bad.
Pyro
'cause it's just gonna make.
Said. I created a pull request. Deadly Dave said. At GetLifty sure knows.
I created a pull request. Oh, cool. Like, I want it to.
Maximum Bombastic said.
Can
I once had a clogged ear. I bought one of these endoscopes to see what's wrong and then googled how to fix it. And then I fixed it.
Huh. Can I change the focus on these? Oh wow, these are butter. Damn. The aluminium they use on this is nothing. Oh, I probably should have gotten you guys a closer look of me. Although technically I did get you guys a closer look of me tearing it apart. Okay, well.
GetLifty said. High grade Chinese ion metal.
There's an almost impossible to distinguish Jaime. It's just.
I did not consent to this.
They can't. They won't.
Don't do it again. The thing you did was put that in your nose.
Don't tell them that. This is broken. my hold on. Let me get you guys a closer look. My pliers, but you can't see shit. Okay, cool. My pliers are slightly broken.
Get lifty. Said. Glamorous shots. Maximum bombastic. Said. Put in mouth.
Putting down the barrel.
Show us the little punching bag.
The little punching bag? Huh? Ooh. It's coming out. Okay, well, the wire is actually holding it in place there. How do I, just gonna do some, destructive,
Maximum bombastic.
disassembly.
Said.
Whatever.
There's a little dangling bag at the back of the throat.
That is a lovely sound.
Get lifty.
There we go.
Said. Just don't swallow it or you'll end up streaming your entire intestinal tract.
I mean, listen, if what's his face did it? Adam Savage did it with the little robotic camera thing. Why can't I? I know there's a circuit board in here. I just don't want to break it, but I do want to crack it open.
Pyro. Said. And don't forget to sound_subscribe.
Oh,
Hi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.
it doesn't even say subscribe. It just says like.
Get lifty. Said. Next sponsor is JLC's new organ replacement service, JLC Kidney.
Straight from China, shipped within 3 days.
Pyro. Said. That's the funny part, XD. Pyro. Said. Of it.
Ow. Okay. Does it still... Oh. Did we...
Get lifty. Said. Shipped in 3 days, somehow only costs $6 with a voucher.
It works! It still works! Okay, what are the chances of changing focus on it? Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Let me get my calipers. Calipers for scale. It is less than 5 mil. So irritatingly tiny. Okay, there's the, I was gonna say there's the onion ring. I took off the, iPhone. Do me a solid, bud. There we go. I took off the ring light, which I should be able to turn on, like so. Beautiful. So now, does it have a focus? It should have a focus. Let me grab I sharp as little tweezers. I have a microscope. BRB. This side quest wasn't even on the side quest list. We're getting side quested by the just getting mega side quested. I need a cable that can connect to
Get lifted,
this.
said. Don't the pros normally add on a small aftermarket lens?
Some of them might. I didn't. Well, the one that I have doesn't. Oh, crud. Oh, no, I don't have a cable for that. Crap. Oh, this might work. Okay, let's plug that in. And hopefully... Sorry, I didn't mean to burp, but hopefully that should maybe come up. Oh, yeah, it said hello. Oh, it said welcome, to be specific. I want to use you as a web camera, please.
Pyro said. This workbench looks dirty.
You look
Let's
dirty.
clean it with bubbles. Maximum bombastic,
Thank you.
said. In the near future we'll be able to order custom upgraded organs with our own electronics grown from our own DNA from JLC.
Can't wait. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, adding another camera source to my computer. Yep. Where is it? Huh? Why are we not? Hello? Why am I not? USB camera? Hello? Oh, it's working, it's just invisible. Why is it in there? What? Why is it like... Oh. Sure. I don't know what happened to it, but it's rotated. How do I even... Okay. Rotate.
Get lifty,
Place.
said. JLC are unfortunately limited only to rhyming businesses, such as CNC, PCB, 3DP, LCSC. Pyro said. Looks great.
Okay. Right, that's... I need the lights on. But the lights on kind of hacky right now, so I'm working on an upgrade video for this as well. Okay, right, that's... Where did I put the camera? Oh, dangling down, that's where it is.
Pyro
Okay,
said.
there we go.
Now
This
you
is
only
what we
need the Subway Surfer screen.
Hold on, let me move this down a little bit. Oh, my script broke. Damn it. Oh, you pushed an update. Don't distract me even more. Okay. Can I...
Deadly Dave said. At Get Lifty JLC kidney, JLC tummy.
How do I... is this adhesive? Can I scratch that off? Ow. That is adhesive, right? Yeah, because it comes off-ish. Ugh.
Get Lifty said.
How the f do I
Make
do
a
this?
Spotify competitor and call it JLC MP3.
I don't think I want to get into the music licensing business. Can I turn that, please? Let me focus it. Man, this is so tiny. Ooh, capacitors, resistors. What's on the other side? Aluminum. That's gotta just be glue,
Pyro.
right?
Said. Lick it. Get lifty. Said. Well, if you can't be bothered to license it properly, is it not just JLC MP3 piracy?
Guys, please don't make me lose a company that's giving me money. Although it's China, I don't think they care. Rotate, you little... We're gonna be done with the print by the time I'm done fooling around with this. God. I'm gonna need something sharper. I've somehow lost my scalpel blade. It's very annoying.
Pyro. Said. Have you tried using fire?
Good point. No, I haven't. I'm kind of relying on you guys to tell me when this camera feed goes out. So far, it seems to be doing okay. Yeah. Oh, the script's broken. Hold on. Right. Script's fixed. Oh, yes. Okay. Right, I need to focus it on something. I need Okay, can you hold this like that? Yes. I was hoping you'd do that. Thank you. Okay.
Unzip it. Said. What are we doing?
Well, it's kind of a long story. So, hold on. We started off with these things for us to do. We tried to do this one, the first one, and we're still technically doing it, but it's being printed. And then we tried fixing the script, but that's still broken, although Pyro did send me a pull request, which I need to check out. And like hell, we're getting to any of these two. But what we're doing right now is not even on the on the list. So I got a probe camera, and I want to use it as a nozzle camera for my printer. And because I'm ADHD, we just I started disassembling.
Can you not tell that this is clearly installing WLED on LED controller?
Should I even explain that, or should I not bother? I don't think I should bother. Right, let me get a... Oh, no, do I have nozzles? I don't think I have nozzles. Oh, no, never mind, I have nozzles. That's right. Okay, if I get a nozzle here, let's see how close we can get to it with...
Pyro. said. No, this is Patrick. Zip it, said. Agreed, I also have a camera on my WLED.
Okay, let's try to focus it. I'm not even turning it. Okay, I don't think that's doing anything.
Deadly Dave, said. Nothing. Zip it, said. Fuukas QUS.
Okay, I don't think that's doing anything. Or is it? I can't tell if I'm imagining it or if it's doing something. No, it's doing something. No, I think I'm placeboing it. Is that more or less in focus than it was
Zip it,
when we started?
said. It's just making everything worse. Get lifty, said. How much money says it's unfocusable and you're just unscrewing it?
I mean, this is like the cheapest probe lens I could find. It was a whopping £7 on eBay. No, I'm pretty sure I'm focusing it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. No, that's definitely more focused than it was. Because it was focused on the top of this earlier. No, that's definitely more focused. Okay, cool. Let's see how we do on here. Where am I? Hold up.
Zip it, said. The background is very much more unfocused.
Oh, come on. That's so much better. Oh! That's just... Hold on, let me full screen this. Go away. Oh, come on. Go away. There we go. Oh, upside down.
Zip it, said. That's so much more quiet than my P1S.
Yeah, P1. The Bamboo Labs are loud as hell. But yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, that's it. That's it right there. Oh. I might. Oh. It hit my light.
Zip it,
That's
said.
sick, right?
But also much slower.
It is not. That's
Get lifty,
okay.
said.
I'm excited.
The P1S just has a huge internal fan for no reason that sounds like a jet engine. The actual motion system is quiet.
Oh, poke. Oh, bugger. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm giddy. I'm giddy about this. Okay, I need to put this somewhere safe because I'm gonna break it. Can somebody hold this?
Said. Not if you put it on a wobbly IKEA, Alex.
Blue tack? Okay, yeah, we'll take some blue tack. We'll put it around there, and we'll blue tack it to the wall. There we go. That's safe, right? That's safe. That's not going anywhere. Right, let's unplug this because we no longer need the microscope. Or do we? We need to do some soldering.
Said.
No, not here.
Hot's not gun. Andy Warburton. Said. Mellow, have BAMU not given you a free printer yet? They seem happy to throw their stuff at anyone. Maximum bombastic. Said. The quality of this is camera pretty nice. I want one too now.
I'm assuming you mean the probe camera. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I emailed Bamboo Labs, but I'm pretty sure I just emailed their like press email, so I'm not confident that it got to where it needed to get to. Here's the thing. I wouldn't accept anything less than a carbon, because I have a mini, which I'm very happy with. I would very much like a carbon. I would like to print very freaking fast with an enclosed printer. If Bamboo did send me a carbon, I would probably end up having to give away my my S1 because I would have nowhere else to put it. But yeah, if they send me one, sure. Let me put this out of the way.
DRZipit said. P1S does everything the X1C does but no LiDAR or color touch screen. Get Lifty.
Yeah.
Said. I genuinely believe the P1S is one of, if not, the best printer on the market. It's literally a carbon for half the price. Same motion system, I think.
Well, yeah, but it doesn't have the enclosure. It doesn't have the LiDAR to like... I don't do any filament calibration. This is going to shock some people. I don't do anything like that. I don't think I've ever once calibrated the specific filament I got.
I still want to make a Voron 2.4. DRZipit said. P1S has the enclosure.
A Voron, I've always wanted a 0 because they're very nice.
Get Lifty.
But they are getting a lot less justifiable.
It has the enclosure but not LiDAR. I have also never calibrated the BAMU. It just goes at insane speeds on its own.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like to. Here's the thing. If I really wanted one, I do have somebody who offered to put me in contact with them. Matt Gray, who you all know and love and have subscribed to his channel, right?
Maximum Bombastic said. I also rarely calibrate filament. I just buy the brands that have pre-made profiles in the slicer.
I don't
Easy
even
life.
do that. I just buy random filament off of eBay and it works. This is PETG off of eBay that I bought for, I think it was like £13 a spool, maybe even £12 a spool, and it works. Ooh, it's hot. It does have to run my bed at 85 degrees, which is quite warm.
DRZipit said. I buy PLA and PET from King Rune, it's €90 per 10 kilograms. DRZipit said. Prints like a dream. DRZipit said. No calibration. Get Lifty said. Matt Gray is a lovely person, can confirm.
He is indeed. I made one story on my Instagram complaining about my printer, and he's like, "Hey, do you want me to put you in contact with people?" And I went, "We'll see, maybe." And then I've not taken the offer yet. Right. Where was I? We're doing this. Okay, can you move? Because you're actually kind of annoyingly in the way. Okay, so we have apparently 11 minutes left on the print, which means I have 11 minutes to decide what I'm doing with these electronics. That's not it. That's maybe it, but it's definitely not working. Is that it? It's plugged in. Unplugged. Plugged in. I would like you to be a camera, please. Can you just effing work? Why? You worked. You worked when you were plugged in there. Why don't you work when you're plugged in here? I give you a dedicated USB port and you're like, nah, I don't feel like it, bruh. Hello? You have a dedicated USB Type-3 port available to you. Take it. Oh, yay, there we go. So, this is awful. This is terrible. So, yeah, we have... should have just said it here.
Dzip it. Said. OBS says no. Get lifty. Said. Is that power cable just alligator clips to your bench supply?
Yep. It's because because this scope needs separate power for LEDs and for running itself. Something I do plan fixing. So Endon Star sent me this like a really long time ago, like probably over a year now. They never asked for a review video. I just said like, hey, I just said, I'll use it, and then I have been using it. And there are things I don't like about it, like these lights, this plate. I do not like this plate. I wish this plate was something magnetic, because I have the arms that I use for my soldering thing, and they just do not stick, and I really want them to stick. And I was gonna get JLC PCB to print me, to cut me or something, a plate somewhat a little bit bigger than this, because I don't like the size of this as well, but something a little bit bigger. The only problem is their JLC milling service only does aluminum. I don't need aluminum. I need magnetic. I need steel. I mean, I could just put like the spring plate from the Prusia on here and just use that. It's not like it needs a lot to actually. No, that's kind of weak. Never mind. Yeah. Does anybody here have capabilities of in some way fabricating steel?
Sounds
or
like an
iron?
excuse to ask for a cheap CNC machine for a video.
I had Timu reached out to me, asked me if I want. So they offered to sponsor two videos specifically, but I'd have to get something from the Timu store. And first thing I looked into was, do they have milling machines? Like even the crappy ones, they do not. They have books on how to CNC, but not CNCs. What the hell was I doing? Oh, right, board. Oh no, and unless you guys can send, so it specifically has to be electrical, like stuff. So if you guys want to scroll around Timu for God knows whatever reason, and send me interesting things you think would be fun to have a look at, do it. Scroll Timu. Let me know. Even if it's just for like haha hee hee, just, let me know.
Get lifty. Said. I got a Sane Smart CNC a couple years back and it scares me too much when it runs to use it properly.
Is that too big? No, that should be perfect. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Okay, cool. That's so I'm changing the PCB to something smaller. So we're gonna solder on some pins to this. Is it too late now to say sorry? You okay?
I'm tired.
Okay. Right. I'm glad I at least made everything
Get
modular on
lifty.
here.
Said. To new karaoke machine for Christmas party.
That's funny. Is it too late now to say sorry? Right, let's clip those off with my thingies. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, let's do. Nope. Keep grabbing the wrong one. Some bellend, me, decided to move around his files. So when they were in my when I had them memorized, they are now no longer in those positions. Oh, we're starting to do the top layers. Cool. That can drop in here. That can drop in here. On the plus side, we now have to make a lot less connections as well, so that's fun. Do I want it this way, or do I want it the other way? That's a tough one. Nah, this way because it fits too nicely. Right, let's do blue tack. Here's my secret to holding things in place when soldering. Blue tack. There we go. Let's do a nice. There she goes. Soldering, soldering. Right. See, if you blow on it, I don't think it gets to you, right? I still don't get, so the say I don't get it, I kind of get it. The video I made about the not ultrasonic distance sensor, when you're trying to concentrate and talk at the same time, it does not work. The video I made on the human detection sensor, where I have really nice soldering, I'm still getting comments about how nice the soldering is on that video. I don't know if I'm... What shit is that? Oh crap, it lifted off the damn board. Ah. Is it too late to push that down? It is too late to push that down. Well... gonna do it the hard way. Is TTS broken? Have we broken it again? Or is it just really quiet? No, it's just really quiet. Okay, cool. Just making sure.
Drzipit said. Sorry, working on some CAD models for Gridfinity Toolbox.
It's okay. I wasn't complaining, I was just worried that it broke. Uh-oh, print's done. Gonna have to wait for it to cool down anyway,
Pyro
because it's hot as hell.
said. Sorry, working on improving script.
Are you working on the old one or the new one with the web interface?
Maximum Bombastic said. I like doing things while watching someone else do things. Pyro said. Old one.
That's all I'm gonna say. I like popping the bubbles. Cool. Yeah, those all look good.
Andy Warburton said. Me too. I'm building a countdown to doom clock for my sister who is getting married in just over a year, laughing smiley. Get lifty.
Oh, he'll appreciate
said.
it.
Fun fact, two people doing different things but together is called parallel play and is a sign of autism. Okay, maybe not fun fact but interesting.
Okay, I didn't know it was called parallel play, but that's pretty funny.
Maximum Bombastic
Pretty sure ADHD people
said.
have body doubling.
Okay, I didn't realize how that sounded until I heard it out loud. I'm doing CAD.
Thanks for clarifying. Okay, let's stick the power management thing on here. We are going to go from this way to this way.
Drzipit said. I'm ADHD, I love to parallel play and body double.
Fair enough. I feel like I've never given it a proper go. Because, like, I don't know.
Andy Warburton said. At Getifty, I just got diagnosed from ADHD and this is literally why I have YouTube running all day when I'm working, laughing smiley. Said. Keep up the good work, bro.
It genuinely, for me, depends on what I'm working on. Because if it's something that requires a lot of my attention, I cannot do at the same time, as I've proven by screwing up multiple things already. Maybe I should... I don't know, maybe I should rebrand my streams from
Get lifty,
entertainment
said.
to...
I have a feeling the stream audience is more neurodivergent than neurotypical at this rate, lol.
I don't think anybody called anyone here neurotypical. I feel like that might be a slur. Ew, you're such a neurotypical. Wait, so if I tell the government that I'm helping out people with disabilities, do I get access to like grants? Will the government give me money to hang out with neurospicy people? Huh? It's fine, it's on topic.
The answer is yes.
Maximum Bombastic
looking after
said,
the community.
I have been told by people who are diagnosed that I probably have ADHD, and several online self-tests I did said the same. I also did an autism self-test and it said maybe. Said, I so think bro. Drzipit said, I'd say so.
Okay, so maybe I should rebrand my streams from being me entertaining people to me just doing stuff whilst other people do stuff. Although I feel like I'd have to stream a lot more often. Oh, look at that. Look at how bad that second one is. Ugh. 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 Look. Ugh. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. It's gross. Ugh. Yeah, that ain't gonna win any Emmys. Yeah. Ugh, look at that one. That one's got a hole in it.
Get Lifty said, just get a bubble lamp and some RGB lights and call your workshop a sensory room. Said, you. Drzipit
To be
said,
fair, it looked pretty good
it
when I
might win
didn't
a
have this
bathtub.
light on. It looks pretty chill with this light off. I quite like how chill this vibe is. I don't know, should I stream more often? Don't really make money on streams. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Maximum Bombastic said, sometimes I can't focus the whole day at work. Then, during your stream, I do everything in 2 hours.
Huh. Okay, right. We are done. We are absolutely
Get
not
Lifty
done. We are nowhere near
said,
done.
technically the Onion stream was quite profitable.
Yes, that is true. That was a very profitable stream. It's more, consistency. So far, the videos are more consistent than the streams. Though I do like doing the streams.
Said,
I said I didn't.
W stream.
W stream. Did anybody get any work done during that stream? I don't think so. I'm surprised Pyro hasn't played the crunch sound yet.
Get Lifty said, I still can't look at an onion the same way since then. Said, LOL.
Wow, I didn't even try pronouncing that name. I think it doesn't like the font. Wait.
Said. Yes, it is. Get lifty. Said. Time to ruin the lovely print with heaps of hot glue.
No, not quite yet. Oh no, actually, yeah, we can. Beautiful. Put it under the microscope. Look at that bridging. Delicious.
Andy Warburton. Said. This is the way.
Okay, let's see how good I am with my fitment. That's terrible. This side.
Maximum bombastic. Said. Hot glue time.
Gluey, Louie, Louie.
Get lifty. Said. Tangential, but I wonder if you could clone a fingerprint from microscope video of hands.
Yeah, I don't see why not, because you can just grab the, still frame and play around with the saturation and sharpness. It's okay. I don't use my fingerprints for any kind of authentication. Well, apart from entering America, but you'd need all 5 of my fingerprints for that. Actually, I think 10. I'm pretty sure they made me press both my hands down. Put that in the right way round. Yeah, I think so. Okay, well, we don't...
Zip it. Said. Do we really want to go to America right now? Pyro. Said. I did another fix for plugboard. And I made a new pull request. Get lifty. Said. You should always use one human element for safety. Something about multi-factor authentication.
I do love the, Zach from Jerry Rig Everything made a teardown of the iPhone, whatever the hell the new one is, and in it he
Said. Noodle 3 is leaving by I have work.
Oh, okay, see you. Wait, why did it actually pronounce your name this time? That's weird. Oh, because he's... Fair enough. Yeah, Jerry Rig and Everything in his latest video said, called out America for needing to pick up a book. Okay, well, okay, let's heat up the hot glue gun. I've lost the hot glue gun. I found the hot glue gun. Let's zoom out. Nope.
Get lifty,
Nope.
said.
That one.
I'm gonna go shower. Try not to burn anything down in the meantime.
I take that as a challenge. Right, whilst I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up, let's jump over to Git. And pause the script. And oh geez. Right, we have a pull request. Just in case, I'm gonna copy my thingamajiggies. Do I want to switch branch? Yes. Do I want to write it? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh, I clicked open on GitHub. Oh, I'm stupid. Go away. Open in VS Code, please.
Maximum Bombastic said. Show the PR so we can armchair co-review.
Question. You've added the secrets and the thing into gitignore, the database and secrets into gitignore, and it overwrote them again. Why? Do they just need to be removed from the
Pyro said. Yes. Pyro said. It quite. Pyro said. Yoo-hoo yeah.
Yep, sure, that made sense. Okay.
Pyro said. They need to be removed from the GIT.
Okie dokie. I'll do that at some point. I think it's running. That worked. Switch turned on successfully. That's new. I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Pyro said. Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
Pyro said.
But the bubbles didn't work.
It goes to latest effect /state.
Oh.
Maximum Bombastic
Oh, really?
said.
Wait, so
Pyro, if you have secrets in the repo you have to remove them from the entire history. Unless you revoked all the keys and made new ones.
I don't like that. I think if we just keep it off when it's not displaying a username, because this is very flashy, very distracting.
Pyro said. Luckily not my secrets were leaked.
I don't know why bubbles didn't work though. Oh, is it even working? It might not be working. think I'm definitely abusing the
Pyro said. If you put it on the different effect you have when it is not working.
Why is this not working? Okay, I think the USB just unplugged itself from the bubble machine. Right, hot glue. Okay, hopefully that's enough to hold it in and not enough to get in the way of the speaker. Now let's do this bit. We can be a little bit messier with this. Oh no, that's too messy. That was a little too messy. Perfect fusion of 3D printing and hot glue. As I promised, we'll fill in the gap in the middle with hot glue. Now we'll just cool that down. Let's plug it in and see if it still works.
Pyro said. Hash cry.
Oh, I don't have a... I didn't make a wire for the P pin. Oh, that's so annoying because now... It's so annoying because now I need to find a way of cooking both the ground, which I've covered in heat shrink tubing.
No, not you. Turn around and walk away now.
It worked. Do the thing, do it again.
Part of Go got some nerve. I'm not here for your entertainment.
It is actually louder. I will give it that. The bigger box does actually make it louder. Shocker. Acoustics doing what they were made to do. Right, let's put that in the head.
Maximum bombastic said. So much stringing.
Listen, the extruder's not calibrated. Okay, so now that has to go in here, like that-ish, and then I guess we'll just glue it in all four corners. Let's see if we can get a better shot for you guys. Okay, we're gonna use the best technique for hot gluing stuff, and it's dropping it in and hoping that it more or less lands in the desired areas. There we go. Let's do the other two corners. You see? Yeah. And final corner. Okie dokie. Let's wait for that to do its thing. Oh, the disk didn't work. Why? Pyro adjusted disk height to 110. We got an error occurred. Connection aborted. Remote ended. closed. Do you want me to just send you the, I've sent you what I got in the chat? I don't see why that wouldn't have worked. Am I already at 110 or am I higher? I think I might be higher.
Pyro said.
I'm at
Home
120.
Assistant brokey wokey.
Home Assistant did not breaky wakey. Home Assistant worky finey. See? Home Assistant worky finey. It's the same error again. But I didn't. The script didn't give me the debug thing it normally does. Because I basically always run scripts in debug mode with Python. Okay. Right, I need to put a connector on that. Right, let's crimp a connector. Oh, I've not crimped the connector
Pyro
under the microscope yet.
said. Because I now catch that exception.
Oh, fair enough. Four. Oh, I don't think I've got fours anymore. Okay, we're gonna have to go with a 5. If you ever get a set of these crimpable connectors, just get the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, and the 5s. You don't need any of the other ones. Just wait, where did my camera stop? There we go. Yeah. You very, very rarely ever need the bigger ones. The bigger ones. So technically, if I change the plugboard to an effect now, like rainbow, it will switch back to it after somebody talks, right?
Pyro said. You turned in a ghost for a second.
Huh. I'll have to rewatch that. Oh, I didn't take out any of the crimpies. We will attempt to crimp under the microscope. First of all, we grab our crimpies. Crimp, crimp, crimp. Oh, that's very shaky. Gonna have to hold it smooth. Okay. We put our little, we put this little guy on this guy. This is gonna be tricky. Oh, I'm not even showing you the feed from A+. Yeah, got this little guy. And we're gonna put it in this big guy. Oh, can I grab it? There we go. Oh, I lost that one.
Pyro said. So now, sound_task complete.
What sound? For the script? I mean, maybe? Right, so you need to line it up so that the other side where the little, where is it? Where the little tail is, whatever you want to call it. Where am I? Here I am. Lines up with that there, and then you want to just nope, and then you want to put it there-ish, and you want to get it to click once, because then
Pyro said.
it holds itself in
M.
position.
The new sounds are gone, I think.
Oh. Yep. That would make sense. Do you want to port them over? Because I did add them in the last push I did. Okay, so now we can do. Let's grab a wire and where is my focus? Here it is. So we want to put the wire in, and we want to put it in so that the silicon part is still, goes just in a little bit, and then when you crimp, it's gonna go into there,
Pyro,
and it's gonna hold it
said.
tight.
N. You did not.
Oh, bummer. And yeah, there we go. I did not. Okay, I mean, I'm still... Right. Maybe I didn't? I thought I did. Right, let me get rid of this for now. Let's go to main. Bring my changes. Leave my changes. Hold on, before you wipe my secrets again, I'm just gonna copy them into my clipboard. Switch. An error has occurred. Oh no. Why? 21, 10, free. Push. Discard all changes. Yeah. Why do we have that? Discard. Changes. Discard. Discard. Why are you not discarding this change? Discard. Discard. I do not like GitHub for GitHub. Makes me mad. So do most. Huh? Right, let's discard change. Yes. It does not want to let me discard this change. What if I close this? What if I close this? And what if I open that? Open in VS Code. Open anyway. What do you think? Pyro, yeah, okay. Sure.
Maximum bombastic, said. I'm trying to see what's going on in the reflection of your glasses. But I'm not succeeding currently.
Nothing particularly interesting, I'll be honest. Right. Main. Pull. And open in VS Code. Old sounds. Oh, for fuck's sake. You actually fucked me, didn't you?
Maximum bombastic, said. I am software engineer. It's interesting.
Honestly, it's not even a software engineering issue right now. Right now I'm dealing with a GitHub being a king piece of issue. Probably more just me not actually knowing how to use GitHub, but still.
Andy Warburton said. Gotta bounce. Latest dudes.
No worries, bud. See you soon. I pushed. Look, it's there. I pushed it 2 hours ago. I pushed it. It's called and it's just gone. View changes. Okay, well, none of these changes are the ones that I've added.
Maximum Bombastic said. Alright, I'm doing laundry while you fix the thing.
Why? Just why? It was there. It was there. It was working. I had all the new sounds. And now it's just poof. I don't like poof. Okay, well, I'm too tired to deal with this, so I will fix bugs tomorrow. I will simply run the script as it is. If it lets me. I don't even know if this is the one with the pull request. I don't think it is. So if it breaky, a breaky. I don't want to deal with it right now. I want to finish this off. Because otherwise we would have completed nothing today. And after, how long have we been live? Almost 3 hours. We have done basically nothing.
Pyro said. It's Fifrin.
It's fine. I'm annoyed because I put effort into doing those sounds before the stream. Right. So now these, when they're all nice and crimped, autofocus would be nice on here.
Pyro said.
Likely.
Oh no, it is old code startled smiley.
Means it's probably going to break in a few minutes. And pop. Oh, get in there. There it is. And that locks it into the enclosure. Okie dokie. Oh, that's actually really well in there now. Not a budge. 10 out of 10. Okie dokie. Right, well, we still need to... Oh no, I definitely won't be able to finish this today. Yeah, because I need to run all the power rails and everything for the individual servos. Right, I need 3, and I believe 3. I need LEDs, servo head, servo head, wheel. So I'm showing you guys, but I'm not showing you guys. This is for the LEDs, this is for the head servo, this is for the one leg servo, this is for the other leg servo. And I also need another 5-pin. Yeah, so I need 5-pin for the connector we just put in. I need a 4-pin for the LEDs. Do I have a pre-cut 4-pin? No, I do not. I do have a pre-cut 3-pin, which I need. Oh, look, I do have a pre-cut 4-pin. Fantastic. Water break. Don't forget to hydrate. Sorry. Right. I'm not giving myself a lot of room to label stuff here, but we'll deal with that. And 3. So hopefully we'll solder those into position. Now I usually keep these in position with help from my oh no, oh it's back here. With the help of my little friend Bluetack. It doesn't hold for long. It holds for just about long enough for me to solder it down. Trick is to sneak up on them so that they don't move whilst you apply the Bluetack. And hopefully they won't move. They all look pretty in place. Okay. And now the trick is to solder one of each of these so that again they don't move when because if you try to do all of them, the Bluetack underneath it is going to melt and it's going to move the whole thing. So we want to do one. I'm going to do 2 on this one because it's long.
Drzipit said. Back.
Hello, welcome back.
Drzipit said. The printer is busy again.
My printer or your printer? I assume your printer. Okay, well they've got a little bit of a bend to them, but apart from that it's okay. Okay, now we can do the rest of them.
Drzipit said. My printer, so I am done with CAD.
Ah, fair. Lovely. Did you tell me what you were making, or would you rather keep it a secret.
Deazip it. Said. Gridfinity bins for my toolbox.
Oh, that's what it was. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Right, so that's LED, thingy, head, wheel. And that should be all of that. Oh, this is my power in. Oh, that's going to be stupid to wire because I'm going to have to run my power in all the way through the lower voltage servo stuff. Fun. Okay. Do I want to do that now? It's quite late. It's getting close to my bedtime, and I'm losing energy. What can we do for the next 15 minutes to be entertaining? What did I have on my to-do list? Well, not really. Well.
Get Lifty. Said. I have returned.
Hello.
What have I missed?
I soldered some things, and I'm getting tired.
Deazip it. Said.
And that's about it.
Cat box.
Cat box.
Deazip it. Said. The litter box. Maximum bombastic.
Litter box.
Said. Yesterday I
look at it.
designed and printed a toilet paper holder. After not having one for 2 years because my landlord installed the original at ankle height during the renovation, and so I removed it.
W landlord. The cat box is... the cat box needs something. I don't remember what. I think we just want to change where the USB port is. Where are we? Because it's in a convenient place, but it's just annoying to get to. You see how it's kind of at an angle?
Deazip it.
Kind of just
Said.
needs to be moved over.
Landlord mad lad.
Alright, let's see if we can actually... I have a feeling this might be a longer task than I'm willing to put into it today. But let's have a wonder. I think this is one of the older projects I've made. So you guys are going to see some sins in this box. Like, I warn you, it's not pretty. This is like back when I lived in the first apartment, which
Get Lifty.
most of you
Said.
won't even know.
The paint jobs on some of these projects are fantastic.
Yep, that's all my partner. They do really nice work. Okay, oh, look, I've even got one of my... oh, there's a hair in here. Lovely. Look, this is a print I made to guide the coin out, because it takes in coins and it throws them at the back. It doesn't really do that anymore very often, but yeah, I made like a little chute and I 3D printed it, and I was very happy with myself. Although looking back at it now, I can show you probably under the microscope. Nope, that's not it. The print quality was not fantastic on these on here. Look at that. That's a wow. And yes, it is glued. I must have had some really crappy hot glue sticks because they're very yellow.
Needs more fillets. Deazip it.
Agreed.
Said. Fillets.
Okay, let's have a look at these sins. Okay. Wow. Oh, look at that. That is my phone is actually blocking most of the light coming from this ring light. That is a work of art right there. Oh, also, is my phone dying? Yeah, it's fine. It's slowly dying. That is somewhat of an artwork. And if I flip it around, if I can, you'll see that over here we have a what is this? Just there we go. A programmable soundboard so that we can play sounds. Lovely. We have a motor driver. Wow, why did I give myself so much space in here? Jeez. Wow, this is so, okay. So this is a Raspberry Pi
Get
Pico something.
Said. At least the wires are different colors. There's nothing worse than debugging old projects with all the same color wire.
It's an itsy bitsy, which I thought was very cute. It still is very cute. But yeah, yeah, I would not use this motor driver anymore. I would definitely not give myself so much space to waste. Wow, that is an insane amount of space. Why did I solder all of these in? I soldered every single pin on this Pico, and I'm only using, well, not counting power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what, 5 GPIOs? Maybe? Because I did, actually, I don't think I'm even using that. Because I'm only driving an LED, so that's going to be 1 GPIO pin. We're going to have 2 for this, which really should only be 1 because it's only going one way all the time. And then I think I only have 1 for this, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Zip it. Said.
So I'm only using 5.
Des older gun goes be.
It's just, wow, that is so much wasted space. I could redo this, but I'm not doing that. Right, how does that fit back in here? Like that? Yeah. Okay, so we just need to, really it just needs securing better in here because it fits fine. I've not actually like made you guys listen to it, so let me do that in a second. This LED needs to go in there somewhere. But yeah, really I just need to secure the circuit board better so that it doesn't fly around inside. And I think we all know how
Zip it. Said. Hot snot gun incoming.
You know it. Let me unplug the bubble machine. Okay, never mind. Cool. Yeah, let's plug that in. And now show you guys what it do. Oh, the whole thing wants to come out. That's probably not going to be a good idea if the whole thing wants to come out. Okay, let's press the button. Never mind. Hello? Oh dear. I think it's just not all the way in. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What did I break? Did I even break anything? I don't think I broke anything. Are we getting power?
The Redstone crafting. Said. I just came back. What did I miss? What are you working on?
I gave up on all the other things I was working on and moved on to another thing. Why is this not working? Are we getting power? Let's connect myself to the battery. Oh, this has a dedicated battery pin. Interesting. Ground and 3.3. We're getting 3.3 volts. That's not good. I mean, something's broken.
Get lifty. Said. Is the USB cable plugged in?
Yeah, we're getting power. It's just not working. Oh, no. Oh, oh. think it's where I... Okay, yeah, so where the... because this whole thing slides out, like so. I wasn't pulling it out enough to... sorry, it wasn't pushed in all the way. So when I was hitting the button, it wasn't actually contacting the button. But yeah. It's how it do. Oh, there's two LEDs in here. Why is this one not glued in? Actually, yeah, I should glue those in because they like to fall out. Plop. That should keep you in. Oh, that's where the speaker sits. Oh, the blue... that's not like me. The speaker is held in by blue tack. Well, this was an early project. Let's do this properly. Like so. Now we know we definitely won't go anywhere. Let's get rid of that. Let's put that back in here. And let's unplug that before it goes off again and I cut my finger off. Not that it's strong enough to do that. Okay, will that work? Feels like it works. Feels like it works. Let's do that. Right, now I want to plug it in.
The redstone crafting
sure.
said. Properly.
Properly. Oh, shit. Okay, so that ideally should hold in place there. So that it just goes in like so. I do have to keep in mind that the bottom
Maximum bombastic
in place.
said. Time for my 10 p.m. coffee.
10? Jesus. I'm worried for you. Why is that not going back in? Okay, we might be able to get away with we might not be able to get away with. We might be able to get away with that and that and that from this side, because I very highly doubt I will be operating on this anytime soon. I have tried making the motor quieter, but that is not a possibility.
Drzipit said. Hot snot, 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 hot snot. Get lifty said. Make sure to accidentally hot glue the USB cable on and then yank the port off trying to unplug it.
Don't make me. Okay. Yeah, that's easier to plug in.
Get lifty said. Micro USB cables, great connectors, terrible adhesion to PCBs though.
It's, yeah. Like I said, this was a very early project for me. I would have definitely not done that these days, because I'm all USB-C everything now. I've just bought a bunch of these USB what are they? USB power delivery modules. These are specifically the ones you can adjust the voltage on, because there's a few things I want to USBify. I think contender number one is going to be this this Brother label printer, because for now I have a I just connected to my power to my bench power supply with these two leads, which red and black is actually inverted, but yeah. And yeah, it runs on 9 volts, which is actually the lowest amount you can do with those USB power delivery modules. So I'm going to enjoy switching this over to USB-C.
Said, love me some USB-C PD boards. Get lifty. Said, chat control label printer when?
This one doesn't have any kind of USB input, so not anytime soon. Yeah, probably not. The button does like to get stuck, but that's more to do with the amount of paint on it. And that's held in by blue tack, and since we're here, we might as well upgrade the blue tack. Maybe a stronger spring would make that work a bit better. But it does like to get stuck.
Zip it. Said, mellow is like okra, you get glue, and you get hot snot. The redstone crafting. Said, when is chat controlled fire thrower coming?
I would like to. It's just getting it to be safe enough so that the safety console doesn't evict me.
Get lifty. Said, I don't think the safety council would enjoy that one.
As long as I can prove that it's safe and doesn't, you know, unintentionally kill people, they'd be fine with it. Cool. Well, at least the cat box is done, so we'd play the completion sound, but
the redstone crafting. Said,
it's broken.
Let's do it at your neighbors. Get lifty. Said, perhaps a cold spark machine is more apt.
Cold spark machine would be interesting.
Zip it. Said, you are welcome.
Maybe. I don't know. I still want to do some kind of fire. It's just a difficult one because we're in a very enclosed space. But eventually we will do some kind of fire thing. Yeah, I have ideas, but I'm currently in the middle of a bunch of other projects, and like, it's not been high on the priority list.
Said, cheap high-speed fan, orange LED, and some fabric.
I mean, I have those humidifier modules that just kind of go, and if I put a red LED on them, maybe, but it's not the same. I don't know. Maybe. Right, I'm losing my energy. I'm getting tired. It's 9 PM. I should be going to bed, reading my book, and sleeping. So, I believe that will be it for today's stream. Thank you all very much for joining me. Please don't look at my pants. There we go.
The Redstone Crafting said, didn't he you make a fire / deodorant through a once? Zip it. Said, maybe WLED with more realistic fire colors and animations.
It just doesn't look right. It never does. Yeah, I did make a flamethrower once. It was the project I made for Dan.
Happy honk shoo me.
But yeah, I had more space for that back then. But also because it used air freshener, it wasn't great for, well, anyone, especially not asthmatics. So yeah, again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which is already up on Patreon and Discord.
Murderer, you killed it! Ah, you scared me so much.
Pyro
What did I kill?
said,
The robot
was fun to debug / fix code with you on the other screen.
He's
Tom
being
poking smiley.
upgraded. He's being upgraded.
took his head off.
Well, yeah, because I added a bigger speaker.
Oh.
The Redstone Crafting said,
He had sounds before, but this time it's better.
Pyro
Oh boy.
said,
Alright, well,
bye.
goodbye everyone.
Happy smile.